See only, ah.
Swim. Did not
Oh, here it is. Oh, it's working, right? No. You cannot check.
I want to try.
No, you cannot dive. You don't have a permit and you don't have a swimwear. Next time, when we come back, you can swim na. But now there's an officer. There's an officer watching. Oh, you cannot swim because you don't have a permission. You need to ask permission first. Oh no, huh? Come on. Let's go to the car na. Let's go down and we will buy something to drink.
Oh, come in, come on.
Because it's thirsty. And then we will go to the playground now. We'll go to MOA.
I want to go to my class.
Yeah, we will pasyal there. Come on. Next time we will, we will swim. Okay? For now, let's go. Come on. Let's go there.
Come on, we will go to the PlayStation.
Come on.
Come on.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Ayaw na bumaba.
Ask permission to go to swim.
No, you don't have.
It's Sunday. The admin is closed. And then you don't have a swimwear.
You will play there. Come on, not here. There's a.
First, we will buy swimwear first.
Yeah. Sarah, your cell phone. Baka maano ka, Sarah. Maganda dito, di ba? Yeah? Yung cellphone mo, ano ba yan? Aw.
Next time you tell Tita Mami and Tita Marilyn so that we can swim again.
Tas doon naman, garden. Tara, let's go down, my love. Tara.
Mas ma-open ito. Gidas ko. Galeriya.
Oo.
Ito yung malinaw.
Come on. We will go to the biggest playground ever. Come on, Nathan. Diba? We talk. Come on, Layo. Let's go. Tara na. Susunod na yan. Bye-bye. Tara na. Susunod na yan.
Hindi na paglusad. Basta magiging ng kalikuan.
Hindi na mga nagtakuha, kaya nagporsige umakyat dyan. Hindi na po umakyat.
Ayaw na bumaba. Gusto na niya mag-swimming. Tara, let's go, anak. Let's go, anak. Come on, anak. Let's go.